Hi there, welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to create a new string by repeating the last three characters of a given string 4 times. This is a great way to practice working with substrings and repetitions in JavaScript. Let's jump right in. Our task is to create a new string by taking the last three characters of an input string and repeating them 4 times. However, we must ensure that the string is at least three characters long. If it isn't, our program will simply return false. Now that we understand the goal, let's see how to code it. Here's the code for our function newString. First, we check if the input string is at least three characters long. If it is, we extract the last three characters using the substring method and concatenate them 4 times to form the new string. If the string is too short, we simply return false. Let's break this down step by step. First, we validate the string length to ensure it meets the minimum requirement. Then, we extract the last three characters using substring and concatenate them 4 times to form the result. If the input string is shorter than three characters, the function returns false, ensuring no unexpected behavior. In this example, the string is Python 3.0. The function extracts the last three characters 3.0 and repeats them 4 times. The output is 3.03.03.03 and so on. This demonstrates how the function works when the input meets the requirements. Here's an edge case. The input string is JS, which is less than 3 characters long. The function immediately returns false as the input doesn't meet the minimum length requirement. This safeguard ensures our function behaves predictably. This is the ES6 version of the function. We use an arrow function for conciseness and slice to extract the last three characters. The ternary operator simplifies the length check, making the code cleaner while maintaining its functionality. To summarize, this program extracts the last three characters of a string and concatenates them 4 times to create a new string. It also gracefully handles edge cases by returning false for inputs that don't meet the length requirement. The ES6 version further simplifies the code for modern JavaScript development. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.